Hello my dear students, good morning second class. I am Neelam. Today I welcome you in your moral class. Today we will discuss the first chapter of your moral textbook. The first chapter is The Lazy King. Okay, The Lazy King, and the theme of this chapter is importance of exercise. Okay, this is the theme of this chapter, importance of exercise, that we will learn from this story, The Lazy King. So first there is a chat corner. It's a oral exercise for the students. You will discuss with your parents at your homes. Okay, and the next exercise is warm up exercise that we will do. Here are some things that are important for our health. Tick the boxes which are correct and cross the boxes which are incorrect. Okay, if the sentence is correct, then we tick right, and the sentence is if wrong, then we cross it. Okay, so the first one is, we should exercise every day. Yes, we should exercise every day. It's right, so we write it. Next one is, we can pay someone to make us healthy. We can pay someone, we can pay money someone to make us healthy. No, so we cross it. And the third one is, we should eat junk food every day. It's a good habit or bad habit? No, we should not junk food every day, so it's wrong. We cross that sentence. And the fourth one is, we should sit and watch TV the whole day. No, so we cross it. And the last one is, we should go for a walk, for play sports every day. Yes, so we take that sentence. Now we start the chapter. First we read the chapter, then we discuss. Okay. Once upon a time, there lived a generous and kind-hearted king. Okay, generous means who always pay money to others. Okay, this is generous. So the king was generous and kind-hearted, but the people were not happy with their king because he was too much lazy and would not do anything other than eating and sleeping. The king was always busy in eating and sleeping. These are the main works of king, so that the people of his kingdom don't like their king. Now come on the next page. He spent days, weeks and months in his bed, either eating or sleeping. Okay, his days always spent, or his months always spent in his bed in eating or sleeping. He almost became inactive. The king became a cough potato, and the people started to worry about the king. One day he realized that he couldn't even move his body. He was unable to move even his foot. He became very fat, and his enemies made fun of him by calling him Lazy King, Bulky King, etc. He invited specialized doctors from various parts of his country and offered them generous rewards to make him fit. Okay, then he appoint a doctors or specialized who make him fit. Unfortunately, none could help the king gain his health and fitness, since the king was very cordial to his fellow people, they were concerned about his health, and many suggested renowned doctors to help him. He spent a lot of money, but everything went in vain, means all the money is waste. One day a holy man visited the region of the king. He heard about the ill health of the king and told the ministers that he could easily cure the king. Hearing these promising words, the minister became very happy. All the happy by heard this news then that his king can cure. He requested the king to meet the holy man to find a cure to his ill health. The holy man lived far away from the palace. Since the king couldn't move his body, the lazy king asked the minister to bring the holy man to the palace. But the holy man refused and instead asked the king to come and meet him. Then, come on the next page. After strenuous efforts, the king met the holy man. The holy man encouraged him, saying that he would gain his health. He asked the king to come for treatment every day. The holy man told the king that he would treat him only if he became on foot to his palace. The king was unable to walk even a few steps on the road, but his followers accompanied the holy man's place. Unfortunately, the holy man was not available there. His devotee requested the king to come and meet him the next day for treatment. This was repeated for 2 weeks, and the king never met the holy man and never had any treatment. After some weeks, the king felt a lot lighter. He lost considerable amount of weight and felt more active than before. He realized the reason why the holy man asked him to reach his place by walking. Very soon the king regained his health and the people were very happy in his kingdom. So this is the story, and this story teaches us physical health really important for us. There is a saying goes in English, health is wealth. Really, health is very important for us, but we cannot pay anyone and we cannot buy the health by paying money. So exercise and physical works are really very important for us, and every day we have to do exercises and go for walk. So this is the story, and your homework is you will complete this exercise, page number 7. Write 3 lines about why health is important. Okay, 3 sentences you will write here about the health is wealth. Okay, and the second exercise is you will do, this is your homework. Write few lines, activity theater. This is your homework. Write few lines about your favorite physical activity below. Okay, write few lines about your favorite physical activities. Okay, and B exercises, collect pictures of different sports and paste them below. Okay, here you paste the sports pictures and write their names. Okay, these 3 exercises you will do in your book only. Okay, complete these exercises in your book only. Activity theater, exercise A, exercise B, and Let's review exercise A. These 3 exercises you will do in your book. Thanks for watching me. Have a nice day. And the rest of the exercise based on this chapter we will discuss in next video.